Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Maktum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to execute your first C Sharp program. So are you excited to execute your first program? So without wasting time, let's start. Open Visual Studio. So when I've opened Visual Studio, there are options on the right side, that is to create a new project, open a local folder, or to open a project. So first I will go to create new project. So when you are creating a new project, there are plenty options will be given to you. In the first checkbox, sorry, in the first combo box, there is a different type of languages available. So we are doing C sharp, so select C sharp, and platform is available to select whether you're using Linux or Mac or Android or Windows. So here we will select Windows, and which type of application you are building, whether you are building a console application or a desktop application or a web application, what type of application you are building, you have to select. So for the beginning we are going to choose console application. Okay, so what is this console application is, we will be executing our program with the help of console or the command prompt. Okay, so click on this console app.net core, give the project name, so I'll give it as first application. Okay, click on create. So it will start to create your project. Yes, your project has been created, and you can see there is a program already written for you. Yes, so what is this? It's magic. Okay, so let's see the program structure here. Before that, on the right side there's something called a solution explorer. Okay, yes, solution explorer. Here you can see this is your project. Okay, inside that there is something called as dependencies and program.cs. Okay, so the Visual Studio, whenever you create a project, is going to develop some of the files for you, that is dependencies, which will help you to execute your program. All the files will be there inside the dependencies, and the program.cs is nothing but the cs file which you will be running. Okay, so here already it has written a program for you. Okay, what is the structure of the program we are going to see now? Okay, so here you can see there is a using statement. So in the first line you can see there's something like using system. What is this using system here? So using statements are nothing but import statements like in your Java. Okay, here the system is nothing but a namespace. Okay, namespaces in C sharp are like packages in Java. Okay, so using system means here we are telling that import the system namespace. Okay, yeah, and here in the second line we are saying namespace first application. Here this is nothing but the package statement. Okay, it is similar to your package statement in your Java. I'm comparing both the things, Java and C sharp, so you can understand easily. First statement will be import statements in Java, yes. So like that in C sharp also we have this using statements. Okay, using will tell the compiler to import the namespaces. Okay, now we are going to write our program inside a namespace, okay, inside a package. So in this first application namespace, whatever the class you're going to write inside them, we can access them in different situations. Maybe you're building, say, there's a calculator app you have built, okay, that calculator thing you want to use somewhere, so you can use it using this namespace. Clear with that? Okay, inside the namespace you're going to write everything, whether it may be a class, okay, or it may be interface. Everything you're going to write inside the namespace. Okay, there's a class statement. Okay, you can have more than one class inside the namespace. Yes, and there may be more than one class. Okay, the class inside which you have your main will be the name given to your file. Okay, like here program is the class program, inside that you have your main method, so that's why we are giving the name as program.cs. okay, if there are more than one class exist, then you're going to give the name of the class which is having main method inside it. Okay, yes, so this is already, main method, it is the starting point for the execution. Okay, inside that there's already one line written, that is console.write line hello world. So, and you can also add comments using the same syntax of C. So what this console.write line will do is it prints hello world in console. Okay, I'll save it. Now how to run the program? So there is a direct option is given for you. You have to click on it and it will start to build your application. So you can see on the bottom there is something like build started. Okay, I hope you are clear with the program structure. There will be using statement, namespace statement, and the classes. Inside the class you can have methods and data. Okay, then the main method will be here. You can see in the console hello world is printed. Yes, so that's it. You have executed your first C# program. Clear with this? Okay. So I hope you like this video. In the next video, we're going to see the data types in C#. Okay. So if you're new to my channel, click on subscribe, and to get the notification, click on bell icon. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.